There are 3 things that we are going to go over: vocabulary, planet order, and things you need to know. The astronomical unit is the average distance between the Sun and the Earth. These are the 4 small, dense, rocky planets that are closest to the Sun and have similar composition. Days on Mercury last about 58 Earth days. Mercury takes about 88 days to revolve around the Sun. Temperatures on Mercury can reach as high as 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury has no moons. Venus is similar to Earth in size and mass. However, 1 day on Venus is equal to 243 days on Earth. Venus also takes 225 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. The atmosphere is very toxic. Venus has no moons but does have active volcanoes. As far as scientists know, Earth is the only planet in our solar system that can support life. A day on Earth is about 23 hours and 56 minutes. Earth takes 365.3 days to revolve around the Sun. Millions of different species inhabit the Earth. Earth is geologically active, meaning that it has movement in its tectonic plates. Earth has 1 moon. A day on Mars is a little over 24 Earth hours. Mars revolves once around the Sun in just under 2 Earth years. Mars gets its red color from the chemical breakdown of rocks rich in iron minerals. The thin atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide. Mars has 2 moons.